These are my two Alpicool coolers. I drive an 18-wheeler. This is in the back of my sleeper. And you'll notice I have two of them. One I've got for a refrigerator, that's 37 degrees. The other I've got at -1, it's at 1 degrees as a freezer. Now I want you to listen to something. Listen closely right now. Do you hear that? Exactly. These are one of the most quiet coolers I've ever had. Now this is my freezer, and that's empty, almost empty right now, but that's there's a lot more room in there than it looks. But I've got my fish, I've got my chicken, steak. I just put that in last night. That's been about 6 hours. And it is awesome. And this is, get this out of the way here. This is my refrigerator, and that's packed to the hilt. You really can't see much, but below there I've got bacon, I've got bologna, I've got head of lettuce there, I've got just about everything you could want, yogurt, cottage cheese, and this is at, even with the door open, at 34 degrees. And I'll tell you, both of these are simply awesome. Awesome. They make no noise. They're very reliable. I've had this one for 1 month, and I've had this one, I think, for about a week. So I bought two of them. And just to let you know, I bought 3 GE refrigerators, mini refrigerators. And they lasted 6 months, the GE refrigerator. So I've seen really, really good, solid reviews about this product. One in particular was a guy that lives off the grid. And he stated that he's had one on for 2 years, solid, and it still cools. So I'm amazed at the silence. I mean, they're just quiet. So I recommend this product. I highly recommend it. I don't usually make videos, but this one I highly recommend.